So this exercise is the Kettlebell Goblet Cyclist squat. So for this variation, we just need 2 pieces of equipment. We need a single kettlebell and we also need a slant board. If you don't have a slant board, you can use 2 squat wedges, or you could also use a weight plate, preferably 25 or 45 pounds, just to elevate the back of your heels to get the same effect as a slant board. So I'm just gonna use this for today. So to get into position, we're going to hold the kettlebell from the bottom, and you wanna keep it quite close to your chest. You don't wanna let it get away from you, away from your body. That's a lot harder to hold than here with vertical forearms, using your chest to support the kettlebell. So just get into position, make sure you're aligned with the slant board, take a few steps back. And what we're gonna do in the cyclist squat variation, we're going to keep our feet stance quite narrow. So you're gonna bring your feet together. This is different than a traditional squat where your stance is quite a bit wider. So the cyclist squat variation, bring the feet together. Maintain a vertical torso, so keep a proud chest, keep your shoulders back, and then take a big deep breath. Slowly control yourself down to the bottom position. Ideally, you get your hamstrings right touching the back of your calves. This is a great bottom position for the cyclist squat. If not, then just kind of work your way. So getting back into position, keeping the kettlebell close to your chest, maintaining a vertical torso, we're gonna stand back up. So I'll do one more rep. Big deep breath. So what I like about this variation is the depth that you can get in the squat. In a normal squat, some people have limited ankle mobility, so it doesn't allow them to get down quite as low as you would on the cyclist squat. And by using the kettlebell, it's a way to add progressive overload to this exercise relative to the body weight variation. So you can just progressively add weight to the kettlebell or use different kettlebells and it still builds strength over time. So great variation. Again, it's the Kettlebell Goblet Cyclist Squat.